This is the patent leather beetle, or horned physalis. These lighter ones are going to turn that black color. That's just after a molt. They haven't changed all the way black yet. Haven't turned all the way black. They're really not very sexually dimorphic, meaning that the male and female look alike. You know, whereas in like the Hercules beetle, the male has this big horn on his head and the female doesn't. Here in the patent leather beetle, you don't see that. The male and female both have this little horn between their eyes. These brown ones are much softer than the black ones because their shell isn't fully hardened yet after they transformed. Now the larva is a big grub like this, which molts several times. And you're going to find these in rotten wood. If you have an old sawmill slab pile, you can literally hear them in there crunching away as they tunnel through the wood. And the adults make complicated tunnels through the wood, and some of the larvae live their whole life in the tunnel, where they molt several times until they turn into a pupa. And the pupa goes through a radical transformation to turn from this grub into this magnificent beetle. These beetles really have a hard shell. And the larvae, when they transform into this beetle, the beetle has the full reproductive organs, male and female, and can reproduce and lay eggs. Right? But they grow through a radical transformation, similar to the way, a butterfly transforms in a cocoon. These grubs transform in a pupa to one of these magnificent beetles. Beetles make up 25% of the world's animals, being over 400,000 species of beetle on the planet, making up 25% of the world's animals. Look at these larvae, how magnificent. We're going to feed some of these to the bearded dragons. Nathan found these in some rotten wood. But these are the patent leather beetle. And really, these brown ones do look like patent leather, don't they? They're going to turn black when their shell hardens up. These have recently metamorphosized. Fascinating insects, aren't they? Let's watch the bearded dragons enjoy a treat of these beetles. The bearded dragon is an Australian lizard. Today our bearded dragons are going to get an all-American treat. The patent leather beetle. Look at these guys. We're going inside here. We got some young dragons here and they're chomping at the bit for something to snack on. There's a big guy over here too. Hey guys, you won't believe what happened today. We got a buffet here. Come here, baby. Hey. Would you like something from the buffet? You want the big crunchy beetle? Look at him attack that hard beetle. The black ones are hard, man. They're hard. The brown ones are very soft. He could crunch that brown one up like nothing. But he attacked the black one first. Let's see if he goes after a brown one. There's some huge beetles. I think that one was so crunchy hard, it scared him off. Let's try this soft one here for this guy. Here. Here you go, big guy. Would you like this? Oh, the little guy here, he's got this one. Oh, the big guy took it out of my fingers. Crunched him right down. This little guy here has been down in these larvae. Patent leather beetles are tasty. Listen to that crunch. That big dragon can crunch them hard ones up. This little guy here is still crunching away on this brown beetle. Listen to that crunch. Oh yeah. Like eating tortilla chips. Crunching down. These are Australian bearded dragons. What a magnificent lizard, huh? They make a fabulous pet, these dragons. We have several dragons here. Patent leather beetle snacking. Some people take forever to eat their lunch, huh? I think the dragons are getting full. That big guy. Oh. Bearded dragons smacking on patent leather beetles. These little young dragons are just from last year. My friend hatched these out. Yep. Actually, his granddaughter had them. We stopped by Boulder Ridge Wild Animal Park up in Michigan, and Dave and Dawn's granddaughter had some baby bearded dragons, and here they're growing up. Nathan's gonna feed something. Oh yeah, you can hear them. Let's hear the beetle. They rub their wings and make a song almost. They have a neat sound they can make. Anyway, Nathan's gonna put these next door. This dragon over here, he's a beast. He's gonna come crunch these up. Watch him. Oh man. What's some sound effects? Wow. That white powder right there is a little calcium. You know, when we feed them greens, we put a little calcium on there. The lizards need a little extra calcium, osteoform calcium. Any more beetles over there, Nate?
No, just the grubs.
Just the grubs? Give me a handful of those grubs. This guy here, he's got an appetite like you won't believe. That's some awesome smacking right there, isn't it?
Finally. I had to help him outside of the job.
Wow. Delicious. Well, the bearded dragons are happy today. Beetle smacking, larva smacking. Good crunchy tortilla chips, huh? Awesome stuff. Have an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed watching the lizards eat.